This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jamie.Kudary. Beautiful and charming cottage-style ranch in Algonquin Park with a flag lot on Mud Creek. Home is surrounded by mature perennial gardens and gorgeous trees. Hardwood floors have been meticulously restored. Updated kitchen and hall bathroom with curbless shower. Office/den could be fourth bedroom. Finished attic for storage. New 220 amp electrical panel installed. Fall in love with the peaceful setting and feel at home. No flood insurance required. For more information, review the details below or contact Jamie.Kudary at 757-217-4200.